Good day, grade 7 students. So, I'm Miss Aika, your math tutor. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss operations on integers. So, let us start with addition. So, we all know that integers have positive and negative numbers. So, first, for the addition, we are going to have positive to positive. So, we are going to add 8 and positive 4, or positive 8 added by positive 4. So, if this is the case that both of the integers are positive, you are just going to add the numbers. So, 8 plus 4, that is 12. Automatically, if the integers has no sign, it means that the integers is positive. Next one. How about if we have both numbers that is negative? For example, we have negative 8 plus negative 4. So, if this is the case that both of the integers or both of the given numbers are negative, so you are just going to add the numbers and you will copy the sign negative. So 8 plus 4, that is 12, and you are just going to copy the negative sign. Meaning negative 8 plus negative 4 is negative 12. What if we have negative 8 plus positive 4? So, magkaiba na yung kanyang sign. We have negative 8 and we have positive 4. So, ano nang gagawin natin? So, you are just going to subtract the numbers. So, after subtracting the numbers, you are going to copy the sign of the number with a higher value or the highest value among the two given. So, automatically, that is 8 minus 4. The answer is 4. Very good. Then, tingnan nyo lang kung alin sa negative 8 at sa positive 4 yung may malaking value ng number. Kung may napili na kayo na number na may malaking value between dun sa dalawang yon, kopyahin nyo yung sign niya. So, alin ba mas malaking number or value ng number? Yung 8 ba o yung 4? Of course, yung 8. So, ano ba yung sign ni 8? That is negative. So, kokopyahin natin yung negative sign. So, tatandaan, kapag magkapareho ang sign ng pinag-a-add, i-a-add lang siya, then kokopyahin lang yung sign na given. Pero, kapag magkaiba yung sign, ima-minus ang numbers at ang kokopyahing sign ay kung ano yung sign ng may mas malaking value ng number. So, another example, we have positive 8 plus negative 4. So, 8 plus negative 4, the answer is positive 4. Why? Kasi, ang may malaking value ng number is the positive 8. Kaya, kokopyahin lang natin yung sign niya at ipagsasubtract yung dalawang given numbers na 8 at 4. Kasi, magkaiba yung kanilang sign. So, yan lang yung pag-a-add ng ating integers. Next one is the subtraction. Okay, now for the subtraction of integers. So, in subtracting integers, you are going to change or you are going to get the opposite sign of your subtrahend. Remember, for example, we have here 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So, remember, if we have this, the first one, kung saan tayo magbabawas, that is what you call the minuend. Then, this is the minus, which is the operation sign for subtraction. Then, the next part is your subtrahend. And of course, your difference, which is the answer. So, always remember that in terms of subtracting integers, you are going to get the opposite sign of your subtrahend. So, if you have positive 10 minus positive 4, what will be your answer? So first, you are just going to get the opposite sign of your what? Of your subtrahend. So if we get the opposite sign of positive 4, that will become negative 4. So we have 10 minus 4. Then, you are going to apply your addition or the addition of integers, the method on adding integers. So, we have 10 plus negative 4. So, they have different sign. So, you are just going to get the difference between the two numbers and copy the sign of the number with a higher value or highest value. So, you have 10 minus 4, that is 6. And the highest number will be 10 with a positive sign. So, we have positive 6. How about if we have negative 10 minus negative 4? So, what will be your answer? So, remember to change the sign or to get the sign of your subtrahend. So, we have here negative 10 minus negative 4. So, this will be negative times negative. So, we have negative 10 plus 4. So, magiging opposite na yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So, we have negative 10 plus 4. What will be the answer? Magkaiba ang sign. Yes, very good. We have negative 6. Why negative 6? Because they have different sign. So, we have a negative and a positive. So, we need to subtract the numbers. 10 minus 4, the answer is 6. Then, copy the sign of the highest value of number, which is 10. So, that is negative. So, the final answer is negative 6. Okay, for another example, we have here negative 10 minus positive 4. So, remember to change the sign of your subtrahend. So, if we have positive 4, after that, we are going to get its opposite. It will become negative 4. Very good. So, we have negative 10 minus 4. So, you are going to apply the addition of integers. So, we have negative 10 plus negative 4. So, they have both the same sign. So, what are you going to the numbers? Yes, you are going to add the numbers and copy the sign negative. Very good. So, 10 plus 4, that is 14. Copy the sign negative. Therefore, your sum will be negative 14. Very good. What if we have positive 10 minus negative 4? So, what are we going to do? Yes, first is to change the sign of the subtrahend. If it is negative, it will become positive. Very good. So, we have 10 plus 4. Just simply add the numbers. The answer will be positive 14. Very good. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-subtract at mag-add ng integers. Now, moving on. Okay, moving on, we have here the multiplication of integers. Okay, so in multiplication of integers, we will be careful with our sign. So, for example, we have 5 times 4. So, we are just going to use parentheses as the sign or as a symbol for our multiplication. So, we have 5 times 4, that is positive 5, multiplied by positive 4. Simply, the answer is 20. Very good. So, if you are going to multiply two numbers with same sign, the answer will be always positive. Another example. What if we have negative 5 multiplied by negative 4? What will be the answer? Is it negative 20? No, it's not. Because we are going to multiply numbers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. So we have 5 times 4, that is 20. And negative times negative is positive. Very good. Next, another one. What if we have negative 5 multiplied by positive 4? What will be the answer? So if you are going to multiply two numbers with different sign, the answer will always be negative. Remember that. So we have 5 times 4, that is 20. And negative times positive, that is negative. Very good. What if we have positive 10 multiplied by negative 9? So, a positive and a negative number. So, they are different. So, automatically, the answer will be negative. Then, just multiply the numbers. So, 10 times 9, the answer is negative 90. Very good. Next example, we have positive or negative 8 multiplied by negative 7. Multiply the numbers. 8 times 7, that is 56. Very good. And negative times negative, that is positive. Very good. So, yun lang po ang tatandaan natin. Kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng dalawang integers or dalawang numbers na may magkaparehong sign, the answer will always be positive. Pero, kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng negative, positive, or positive, negative, basta magkaiba ang sign, the answer will always be negative. Okay, yun lang po ang tatandaan. Okay, for the last part, we have the division of integers. So, the rules for the division of integers is same as the rules of our multiplication of integers. So, if you are going to divide numbers or integers with the same sign, automatically the answer will be positive. But if you are going to divide numbers or integers with different sign, automatically the answer will be negative. For example, positive 20 divided by 5. So, positive 20 divided by positive 5. So, simply divide the numbers. 20 divide 5, that is 4. Positive divided by positive, that is positive. Very good. Next example. What if we have negative 30 divided by negative 6? So, simply divide the numbers. 30 divided by 6, that is 5. And negative divided by negative, dahil pareho ang sign, the number or the answer is positive. So, we have positive 5. So, remember, kapag walang sign na nakalagay, siya po ay positive. So, pwedeng hindi nyo na isulat ang plus sign dahil automatically, it means positive number. Another example. So, we have negative 56 divided by 8. What will be the answer? So, 56 divided 8, that is 7. Negative divided by positive? Yes, very good. Ang galing ng grade 7. We have negative. So, the answer or the quotient will be negative 7. Next. What if we have positive 56 divided by negative 7? So, simply divide 56 by 7. The answer is 8. Very good. And positive divided by negative? Great. That is negative. So, we have negative 8. So, kung napansin nyo, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, the rules for multiplication and division are just the same. If you are going to multiply or divide numbers that has the same sign, so the answer will be positive. Pero kapag nag-multiply or nag-divide tayo ng numbers na may magkaibang sign, the answer will be negative. So So that is all about operations on integers. So see you again grade 7 students on our next lesson. Bye!